Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an invoice on Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to your business dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your business tools, settings, and customer-related actions. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account or brand. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Invoices. This section is where Whop keeps your invoice-related tools in one place. Opening it will take you to the invoice management area, where you can review existing invoices or start creating a new one. If you do not immediately see the option, scroll slightly within the sidebar until it becomes visible. Once you are in the Invoices section, click on Create Invoice. This will open the invoice creation page where you can begin entering the details needed to generate a new invoice. This page is designed to walk you through the process in a straightforward way, so just focus on completing each field carefully. Now enter the required information into the invoice form. The exact fields may vary depending on your account setup, but in general, you'll want to provide all necessary invoice details accurately. Take your time here, since the information you enter will determine how the invoice appears and how clearly it communicates payment expectations. It's a good idea to double-check values, dates, and any customer-facing details before continuing, as accuracy helps avoid confusion later. After filling in the necessary data, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Whop will guide you through the remaining setup options directly within the invoice creation flow. Depending on what appears on your screen, this may include reviewing the invoice details, confirming the information, or moving through final prompts before the invoice is ready. Simply follow each instruction as it appears and complete the process in order. As you go, be sure to review everything one last time before finishing. A quick final check can help catch small mistakes and make sure the invoice is complete, professional, and ready to send or use as needed. That's it. You've now seen how to create an invoice on Whop. Once you're comfortable with the process, creating future invoices should be much faster and easier.